What is up, guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can activate the reduce motion settings on your iPhone. This is going to help you reduce the amount of animations when you're switching between apps. So I'm gonna show you with some examples what I mean by this. First of all, we're going to go to our settings app. Mine is right here. If you cannot find yours, swipe down from the middle of your screen like so and type in the word settings. Okay, once the icon appears, just click there and we're going to scroll down right here where it says accessibility. Click there. All right, now right here on the number 4, it says motion. Click on that. Okay, so you see the first option says reduce motion. It is already activated. Now we're gonna switch back and forth so you see what I mean and you can see the effects. And this way you can make a choice on which is the option that you want. Now, for example, if we're going to switch between apps, you usually just swipe and hold for a second. Swipe from the bottom of your screen, you swipe up and hold for a second, like so, right? And you can now scroll through the open apps, okay? So this is an app. I'm gonna switch back. Pay attention on the amount of animation that is going on here, so you can tell the difference once we deactivate it, okay? Okay, just gonna switch for another app. For example, I don't know, this one. Okay, so you get it now, right, guys? All right, that is with the reduce motion setting activated. Okay, as you can see, it says reduce the motion of the user interface, including the parallax effects of icons. Now, okay, I'm gonna deactivate it. So it's now not reducing motion. In other words, it's actually doing all the animations that is available. Now, let's switch between apps and pay attention to see how the difference. You can see how it's more mobile. You can see it like this. I'm gonna click this. No, I'm gonna do it again. Pay attention. Look how much animation there is. All right, did you see that? There's more animation. Click that. Okay, again, I'm gonna switch it off. Reduce motion. I'm gonna activate reduce motion. Now let's go again. You see how there's less animation now when I'm switching between the apps? Okay, so let me just go back to settings. Now, another reason why you might want to keep reduce motion setting activated is to so that your battery lasts a little bit longer. The more animations, the more power your iPhone is going to use. So therefore, the battery is going to last a lot less. Now, again, people that maybe feel a little bit sick, that can get sick with too much motion on their iPhone, this is a great setting for you guys. So all in all, you can play around with this setting and see what's more comfortable for you. And yeah, basically that's it. So thanks for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you on the next video. Cheers.